Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2010 Lexus RX 350. This one is white. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6 with 275 horsepower and 257 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Beige leather interior with a light wood trim. Sunroof. Lexus RX 350 badging. Power lift gate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Keyless entry. Memory seats, power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Hard keys for the radio. Climate controls. Automatic transmission. Heated and cooled seats. This RX 350 has 149,794 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus RX 350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.